Today, we're going to discuss the unlimited potential of ChatGPT in the field of brainstorming. Yes, you'll never run out of ideas. We here at Beat10x teach you, continuously keep teaching you, and we upgrade ourselves as well for you guys so that we all can keep benefiting from this beautiful technology called ChatGPT and how it can help us to never run out of ideas, to always brainstorm. I'm going to teach you 3 ways.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you a packet of chips. But what if I tell you 9 rupees can save your job? What if I tell you 9 rupees can get you salary hike? What if I tell you 9 rupees can build your career in better way? Sounds too good to be true, right?
I'm going to learn with you guys as well. So number one, obviously, would be using custom instructions. You give it according to yourself, and then it's going to generate some ideas for you. Number two is going to be using a plugin, a diagram, any diagrams plugin you can use. And I'm going to use one and show how we can make these flowcharts and stuff. And using them, we can we can get a lot of, we can brainstorm a lot of ideas. And number three would be SWOT analysis, to which I have a pre-made template, not pre-made, pre-made template, and I'm going to just copy paste it there. And you guys can take the template as well. You just need to type it out from the screen, or we can put it out in the description as well. But yeah, we're just going to start, right? So here we are on ChatGPT. But just before we start, I would like to take your attention to this beautiful workshop on AI tools and ChatGPT at just 9 rupees. It's the best in town. And the best thing is, I said that it is just for 9 rupees. You would secure your future with us here at Beat10x. You can create presentations under 10, 15, 20 seconds. You can become top. It's 1% here, but I'd say 0.001% of Excel users. No need to remember any formulas. You'd have the best use cases of ChatGPT known to humankind. You would 10x your productivity. You would at least save 2 hours a day, and your professional life would just skyrocket. And all of this under 3 hours, and under 10 rupees. In fact, only 9 rupees. So it's not 9 or under. No, you don't even get a packet of chips, a packet of Lays for 9 rupees. You used to get a 5 rupee wala, but we really know the story about that. So yeah, man, don't forget to check the link out down below and sign up for the workshop for just 9 rupees. Now, if we jump back to ChatGPT, here I am, right? So we have something called as custom instructions. We all know about that, right? There we go. And there is the custom instructions tab, right? This was the previous one that we just put out. So we are okay. We just need to enable it first. Then we just need to take out this. Right. So how would you like GPT to respond? We can say, right, there you go, boom. That is the exact thing that we had to write it out, and we just save it here, right? And we don't have anything for ChatGPT to know. We would only give some instructions to ChatGPT as to how to respond, and it's trying to implement it. Once it does that, we're going to jump onto the chat and we're going to ask it a very simple question, right? So we are done here. I'm going to close this, right? Now I'm going to ask GPT, right? I have to build a website from scratch for a pet company. I want to brainstorm ideas for each step involved, right? There you go, boom. That is the first thing that we absolutely brainstorming for a website, especially for a pet company, can be both fun and challenging. Let's break down the brainstorming into layers to ensure you have a comprehensive and creative approach. Each step will help you generate and refine ideas. Define your objectives, research and inspiration, ideation sessions, right? And it's going on. So till the time it goes on, let's wait for it. Right, so it's done. It's given us 8 steps. Let's take a look at them. Defining your objectives, defining key features, understanding your mission, target audience, competitor analysis, trend research, idea sources, ideation sessions, mind mapping, brain writing, role play, organizing ideas, categorize ideas, prioritize, storyboarding. So it's see, there you go. It's given us a lot of layers. There you go. And this is something you can always look up to. Now, if we go here, right, this is the second step, right? If we go here and we can see this thing, diagram show me. But if you don't have this, you would just need to go here into the plugins. Of course, all of this is on GPT Plus and not on the free version, so we need to think about it accordingly. You just type out diagrams here, into the search, and you'd have it here. I've already installed it, obviously. Now I don't need to reinstall it, so you can have it there, right? So if we just go here and we just install the, hopefully we get it. Oh, we missed it, did we? I think we did. Yeah, I think we did. There you go. Diagrams show me, right? So yeah. So if I just type it out, prepare a. So there you go. I've written a prompt, prepare a flowchart for me. I'm a content creator on YouTube making videos about new tech and AI. So give me broad categories, topics, subtopics, and inside them subtopics. So let's see what it does. Let's wait for it. It's generated. So yeah, for now it says that this GPT-4 is somehow prohibited to being used, but even 3.5. So for you guys who are not premium yet, you guys can check it out. Creating a flowchart, and it's given us this. I know it's a plain text here and there, but tech and AI is the broad category. New content, new tech topics are gadgets, emerging technologies, product reviews, tech trends. Subtopics are smartphone reviews, AI and consumer tech, wearable devices, tech for home automation. And then we can say, artificial intelligence topics, machine learning, AI ethics, robotics, AI applications. Subtopics, deep learning, AI and healthcare and business, AI and gaming. Subtopics would be new tech, latest smartphone features, future of virtual reality, smart home tech comparison, artificial intelligences, exploring neural networks, AI's impact on education and stuff, and in autonomous vehicles. So, I mean, this is the second one. Now, if I could, I'm just going to go here. And yeah, like you guys won't be able to see, right? I'm just going to copy a prompt that I have. And I'm just going to paste it here. Please conduct a SWOT analysis. This is the third one. For, I'm going to insert the subject, which for me here would be AI in autonomous vehicles. So, for if I just put it here, right? Please conduct a SWOT analysis for. Wait, I am a YouTuber. Please conduct a SWOT analysis for a potential video on AI in autonomous vehicles. Focus on identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, right, and threats. Right, consider any relevant specific goals. Right, so would be context switches, views, reviews, reach, trend, etc. Right. So now we're gonna put it out. So this is the third one that I would suggest you guys, right? And boom, there you go. And it's giving us the whole SWOT analysis that it has prepared for us. And yeah, just like that, you can never run out of ideas. And this is just using 3.5 this time. So boom, there you go. Certainly, let's conduct a SWOT analysis for a potential YouTube video on AI, right? Current trend and is hot topic, attaching significant attention from tech enthusiasts, educational value, weaknesses, complexity, technical jargon, competition, longevity, collaborations, monetization, audience growth, education series. The opportunities and threats would be content saturation, changing trends, technical errors, negative comments. To maximize the success on your video, focus on clear and concise explanations, engaging visuals, and accurate information. Additionally, consider promoting it through social media and collaborating with experts or influencers in the tech and AI space to reach a broad audience and mitigate potential weaknesses. So, I mean, you just get the gist here, right? You just get the gist as to how you can use ChatGPT for all of your needs regarding, content idea generation or just idea generation in general, just the whole brainstorming thing, and you'd never run out of ideas. So thank you so much to everyone who tuned until here. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to P10X. And also don't forget to check the link down below. It is the link for our workshop, which is at just 9 rupees. So click the link down below and just go out there and fill out the form and fill out the details and register yourself. Till the next time, take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you guys in a bit. Cheers.